After rinsing the first dirt off, you want to add some degreaser. That's what we're doing. You don't want to leave it on the rims too long, but this is a mild degreaser. We just put it on the rims and all over. Okay, this is stubborn brake dust on the wheels, and it's going to take more than just washing. You cannot wash it off. We power wash it off. It's not coming off. You can scrub it all you want. You can get a little dust off, but they don't understand anything but a magic eraser. And this one you can use something abrasive like a SOS pad, but the only thing you gotta do is rub that SOS pad right across it, just like that. See how easy it comes off? Just, you don't scrub it, just rub it across it, glide it across the dirt, and that'll get it all from the corners, everything. Let's try this other one. See, you cannot wash it off with soap or anything, but that SOS pad, well, good enough to be abrasive to remove it. And so you're probably wondering, why do you need SOS pad and this? Well, one good thing about punch eraser, you can get into these grooves right here. See, watch how dirty that is. That brake dust in there, it's not gonna come up. So you just twist this around inside the screw, and you're gonna see how pretty it looks when I'm done with it. See, that is clean. So you do all 5 of them like this, and then you have a finished product. Get all the eraser will get the stuff, with the brake dust that the SOS pad don't get. All right.